It tastes better if you don't wash your hands first.
Bingka.
But right now,
Hey, come on. Oh, mommy, miss kita.
so guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Kavakat. I'm Eva and he's... So right now we have here some fruits from Asia.
Wow.
You can see this from Asia or maybe tropical countries in the west. I don't know. You
Yeah,
didn't know?
they're tropical fruits anyway. Yeah.
But they are exotic fruit, like my face. So he likes exotic.
So now,
Yeah, I've been eating his food, like Haitian foods he's cooking. So right now it's his time to taste our food in the Philippines.
rambutan.
What's this rambutan? It tastes better if you don't wash your hands first. The lanzones. What can you say with the rambutan? That's the lanzones. Rate the rambutan.
How to eat all this?
Rate the rambutan.
Even 8.
An 8. The lanzones.
7.
7 only?
This one's sour.
Don't eat the seed. Uy! I had another video, guys. That's included with the previous video when we taste the durian.
Durian?
Yeah,
Oh,
check.
bad. Very bad.
Just check it out
And
here.
stinky.
The king of all fruit.
Whatever. Number,
This time, try the poto. This is poto, guys.
No, I'm not eating no puto.
Just a little man. A small bite. Sticky rice, poto.
I don't like it.
1 up to 10.
The puto?
Yeah.
I give that a 3.
Only?
Yeah.
Wah, 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 wow.
Sorry guys, the puto is a 3.
Bingka?
Bingka.
You like the bingka?
Yeah. The bingka, that's the one I like. Not the puto cassava. The bingka.
Bingka. He likes bingka. Puto kasama.
Not too much.
Not too much. But,
Yeah, I'll
it's
give it a
bet-
5.
It's better than this one.
Oh, yeah, big time.
Tasted guyabano before.
Yeah, guayabano is good. It's healthy, I like guayabano.
How about the humba bag?
Humba is good too. I mean, you cook humba well. I like the humba.
Munggos.
Mungos, yeah, but the way you do it is fine, but you just put too much water. I like paklay also. Paklay,
Lechon.
I like lechon,
But
but
just a little.
I don't eat, that much, that. So
Pork.
I don't eat pork that much, and I love the lechon manok if it's well done.
Grilled bangos.
The grilled mangos is okay.
The pancit.
Pancit, I don't like pancit that much. I like, the spaghetti, better, but
Dried fish.
nah,
0.
I'm not a fan of dry fish.
Rice.
Ri-
Rice.
Rice, I eat rice, but not 3 times a day like you guys do here. It's not like, every meal over here, is rice. Nah. not-
Jollibee.
Forget about Jollibee, man. I eat, like chicken from Jollibee, but I'm not a fast food goer.
It's Shakey's.
Yeah, Shaki's good. Good
The salad.
restaurant.
The salad.
Good restaurant. Gives you the salad over there, man. You'll be happy.
Kabalen.
It's good. Kabalen's good. Kabalen, good restaurant.
Kabali.
Mm.
Shakey's. Baka naman. Si baka naman ba? Baka naman.
What's that? Baka naman.
Just baka naman.
Baka naman.
Yeah. Shakey's. Baka naman.
Shaki's, baka naman. Kabalan, baka naman. Moon, baka naman.
Jollibee.
No, baka naman. Jollibee, no baka naman.
So that's it for today's update. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like,
Don't forget to be good. Love yourself.
subscribe,
Like and subscribe
and comment down below.
to her channel. I'm trying to help, but I'm not that good. I'm sorry. Asunat Dayon no siba.
Ano si Batman?
No siba.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, it's your Kavakat here. So for today naman guys, it's fiesta in Minglanilla actually. And we're going out. Look, it just started raining. They cut off the tamarind. If you remember my vlog during audit time, yeah, there was tamarind there. It's raining! Bye, see you later! Bingka mo dahil. Oh, traffic?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been stuck for how many minutes now? Maybe almost an hour.
Oh, please.
Huh?
Do not exaggerate.
Because it's fiesta here and we're about to go out from the Gaisano parking, but now we're stuck here because I think they blocked the road, the main
It's
road.
not blocking, it's not moving. You know, traffic is not moving, that's all.
They saw that in a postman, they're going to block because they're gonna have a parade.
We're on the ground, you know, at Gaisano. We got to get out to the main road. It's hot. In it.
Good thing we have Bingka.
Yes, we have Benka. I can just go to the back and sleep.
You go sleep there.
I'll let you deal with your Filipino stuff, man.
Okay, it's moving na. So guys, good morning. It's your Kavakat here. It's early in the morning. 8:32. Not early. I'm going to buy bread. Okay. And the spark plug of this phone need to be changed or maybe tuned up because it doesn't start right away. Sunny. So we prefer going to Tubod because it's closer and not heavy traffic. So before you drive, you adjust the mirror first. Yesterday was crazy guys because it was heavy rain. Like that was the worst heavy rain experience that I experienced. Okay, let's go na. I already opened the gate. Yes, the parking is full. And I need to squeeze in because we are on unit 6. What? So you just close the gate. Like every vlog, we're hungry.
Huh? Oh?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name? Saan?
What's your name, Koan?
PicsArt. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So the last vlog I had, it was cut off. We didn't have a chance to continue it because we were busy. But right now,
Hey, come on, drive.
so that's usually happen when you are rushing. It's heavy traffic. And the weather condition, it seems like it's been a long time since I'm not updating the weather condition for today. It's cloudy. Yes, it's cloudy guys. It's going to rain later. And yesterday was a fiesta in Minglanilla. The disco was up to 3 a.m. It's 3 a.m. and there's still a disco. Where? So we're rushing to go to Minglanilla. Still heavy traffic although it's Wednesday. I don't know what's going on, but it seems like every day is a traffic day. I'm wearing Eagles tokens.
Eagles jersey.
Yes.
Philadelphia Eagles.
NFL. Okay, we'll check with you later guys. That's it. That's our random vlog of the day.
Ta-da!
The 2 lanes became 3 lanes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, like a jeepney bus lane. This is for private lane. So it starts drizzling guys and we're done with our errands. I got my Rai and what I got here from Painitan Central. My favorites, balanghoy, photo balanghoy. He got photo special here. So right now we're going to the public market. So there was a disco there last night. There, the oval. And the Ben and Ben concert. Concert was the other night and last night was the disco. And the rain stops. And it's sunny. That's the 7-Eleven. The new 7-Eleven. The Prince, the Longwind, and the public market. Yeah, there's a lot of kaan there. Vegetables. Oh, okay. Here. That's a lot of jaba. Yeah, that's the Humayan Food Park of Minglanilla. They get a lot of veggies here, also fresh. Ah, they have banana. That's what I got, guys. The saba and half kilo of sweet potato.
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, mamimiss kita. O aking sinta, mahirap man ito at tanggapin. Ngunit ako ay alis na. O mamimiss kita. Mamimiss kita. Mahal